This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Huel. We'll explore what Huel is, its core purpose, and the nutritional foundation it offers. You'll learn about the different product types available, from powders to ready-to-drink options, and understand how each one fits into various lifestyles. This comparison will help you decide if Huel aligns with your personal health and dietary goals. Huel's primary advantage is its incredible convenience, offering a complete meal in minutes. It's packed with a balanced blend of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, plus all 27 essential vitamins and minerals. This makes it an excellent choice for busy schedules or for those looking to precisely track their nutritional intake for goals like weight management or muscle gain. While Huel offers many benefits, it does have potential drawbacks. Some individuals might find the taste or texture requires an adjustment period, as it's different from conventional foods. The cost can also be a consideration, potentially being more expensive than cooking meals from scratch. Additionally, for some, the experience of consuming a liquid meal might not fully satisfy the desire for solid food. So, is Huel right for you? It's an excellent solution for those with demanding schedules who need quick, nutritionally complete meals. It's also ideal for anyone looking to precisely manage their calorie and nutrient intake without extensive meal prep. If convenience and comprehensive nutrition are priorities, Huel could be a valuable addition to your routine. Remember to check the description below for links to great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.